All right, so for RTS23, I want to point out a proof of concept that I've been working on the side. I actually produced about 10 videos in this other playlist. If you want to go check it out, it has to do with the experimental NavMesh system in Unity. Particularly, I've got a 3D NavMesh with a lot of objects running around on it. So over here, here's the example of the end product. I press R and they all kind of pick random spots. And so we start seeing these units traversing the sides to get to all their different locations. I can go into scene and I can see some of them are expanding out and traveling over to here towards the front. Other ones are, a lot of them are congregating on the bottom. But most of them kind of go into the center of the broadsides, and there's a mathematic reason for that. But anyway, this is part of the test case, and I am going to be using the experimental NavMesh in this. Basically, I've gone through a series of tests, including performance, including discovering some serious limitations on it. And so if you want to figure out how to start putting that in your own code, please by all means check out this link to go over to this playlist and watch it all. It's incredibly useful. Yeah, well anyway, I'll talk to you later.